it's me girl and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making colorful pancakes. So before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Let's begin. So the ingredients are pancake mixture and we have water. We're going to add it little by little. And here we have the toppings and yeah. Now we're going to add the pancake mix first. Now let's add a little bit of water. Let's mix it. So this is the texture now. So for this pancake mixture, we didn't need to put oil or eggs. That's why. So yeah. So here's the texture. So now I put the mixture in 3 separate bowls. So here we have 3 food color: strawberry red or red, green, and yellow. So we're going to add that. First one, we're going to add the red one. Let's mix it because this is very strong, the color. So here I'm mixing the pink color or red. It just looks like pink, so yeah, my favorite color. Now we're going to add the yellow. Now let's mix it. Now we're going to add a little more mix. Now we're going to add the green. Let's mix. Now the 3 batters are ready. Now let's cook it. So now we added oil on the pan. Now let's add the yellow pancake mix. It's starting to have some bubbles, so it's almost cooked. Now I flip it. Okay, so now this one is ready. Now we're going to add the green one. Now we flip it. Now it's ready. Now we're going to add the pink one. Now we change the side. It's a nice pink color. Now all the pancakes are ready. Now let's decorate them. Okay, so now let's decorate them. First, we're going to add the green pancake. Then we're going to add pancake syrup and spread it. Okay, I think that's enough. Now we're going to add the pink one. Now we're going to add the syrup again. Spread it. Now let's put the yellow pancake. Now we're going to add the strawberries. See this one here. Now we're going to add the chocolate syrup. Now it's ready. It looks so yummy and chocolatey. So nice and colorful also. You guys, look at the colors. It looks so nice. If you guys like this video, give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!